Reviving the values of the past can bring light to a future that sometimes seems shrouded in darkness.
Traditions and moralities may fade with time, but their importance in shaping a better tomorrow remains eternal.
The roots of our past hold the wisdom we need to nurture a brighter, more compassionate world.
A society that cherishes the lessons of yesteryear paves the way for a future filled with understanding and growth.
The morals and traditions of days gone by are the foundation upon which we can build a more unified and empathetic society.
Embracing the values of our forebears illuminates the path towards a world where kindness and respect prevail.
The echoes of yesterday's principles resonate within us, guiding us to create a society that upholds integrity and virtue.
Unearthing the treasures of the past brings forth a renewed sense of purpose and direction for our shared future.
Revitalizing yesterday's moral fiber breathes new life into the very fabric of our society, fostering connection and understanding.
The values of our ancestors hold within them the power to transform today's challenges into opportunities for growth and unity.